In this video, you'll learn how to access cPanel Webmail from Namecheap so you can quickly check your email right from your browser. Whether you've just set up a new email account or you're switching from another provider, I'll walk you through each click so you know exactly where to go and what to expect. First, start by logging into your Namecheap account in your web browser. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for your hosting plan. Next to your hosting plan, you should see a button that says cPanel. This is the control panel for everything related to your hosting, including your email. Go ahead and click the cPanel button. It may open in a new tab, and you might see a short loading screen while it connects. After cPanel loads, you'll see a lot of different icons and sections. Don't worry about all of them. For webmail access, you only need to focus on the email section. Scroll down the page until you see the area labeled email. In that section, find and click on email accounts. This is where all the email addresses associated with your hosting account are managed. The email accounts page will show you a list of all the email addresses you've created for your domain. If you have multiple addresses, take a moment to locate the one you want to check. On the same row as that email address, you'll see several options. Look for the one that says Check Email. This is the shortcut into Webmail for that specific account. Click the Check Email button next to the address you want to open. When you click Check Email, cPanel may briefly show you a screen asking which webmail client you want to use. Namecheap cPanel commonly offers options like Roundcube and sometimes others, depending on the configuration. Roundcube is usually the default and is a good choice for most users because its interface is simple and easy to navigate. On that selection screen, find Roundcube and click the Open button beneath it. If you prefer another available webmail client and you're familiar with it, you can choose that instead. But Roundcube is perfectly fine if you're not sure. After you click Open, your inbox for that email address will load. Once Roundcube opens, you'll see your inbox on the left and the list of emails in the main area. From here, you can read messages, reply, forward, delete, and compose new emails. Just like any other email service, it all runs directly in your browser, so you don't need any extra software. If you plan to use Webmail regularly, it can be helpful to bookmark this page in your browser. That way, you won't have to go through cPanel every single time. However, if you ever get logged out or switch devices, you can always repeat these same steps. Go to your Namecheap account, open cPanel, go to email accounts, click Check Email next to your address, and then click Open on Roundcube. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly access your Namecheap email through cPanel Webmail whenever you need it from any computer with an internet connection.